Hello friends, we are going to draw a flowchart for the sum of the series given below. That is, you have to obtain range n from the user and you have to write a series like this: 1 multiplied with 2 plus 2 multiplied with 3 plus 3 multiplied with 4 plus 4 multiplied with 5 up to plus n multiplied with n plus 1. So for this, we are going to draw a flowchart. So using the loop. So this is the logical start of the flowchart. Start. I am appending the range from the user, input n. I am storing the range in the variable n. Next, I am initializing few variables. Set I equal to 1, p equal to 0, comma, sum equal to 0. Next, I am checking if I less than or equal to n, which is true. True means I am calculating the p. P, the variable, is to store the product of I multiplied with I plus 1. This is the first step. Second step, this is second step. Okay, second step, I am storing sum equal to sum plus p, the product value p. Next, I am incrementing I equal to I plus 1, connecting it back to the decision symbol. If it is false, in this case, I am printing the sum value in the sum. Print sum, and this is the logical end of the flowchart. So this is the flowchart. I am obtaining the input n, the range from the user, initializing a variable I equal to 1, p equal to 0, sum equal to 0. I am checking I less than or equal to n. Then if it is true, I am calculating p equal to I into I plus 1, and I am adding sum equal to sum plus p. Okay, existing value of sum and the value of p are added and stored in the variable sum. I am incrementing I equal to I plus 1. This loop will go until I less than or equal to n, which is true. Then this false means when I greater than n will come out and print the value of the sum, and this is the logical end of the flowchart. So we will check, okay, the correctness of the flowchart by giving a sample value. Okay, so my n, which is 3. Okay, so I am initializing I equal to 1 and checking 1 less than or equal to 3, which is true. Okay. So P equal to I into I plus 1. P equal to value of I is 1 multiplied with I plus 1 which is 2, which is equal to 2. Then sum equal to sum plus P. What is the existing value of sum? Which is 0. It is initialized here. Sum equal to 0 plus the value in P. P is 2. Sum plus P. Sum plus P. So the value is 2. 0 plus 2 which is equal to 2. Now I am incrementing I equal to I plus 1. I equal to existing value of I is 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. This is the first iteration. Okay. So second iteration, we are comparing I less than or equal to n, 2 less than or equal to 3 which is true. Then I am calculating P equal to existing value of I. So what is the existing value of I, which is 2. 2 multiplied with 2 plus 1 which is 3 which is equal to 6. Okay. Sum equal to sum plus P. Sum equal to existing value of sum is 2. Okay, 2 plus 6 which is equal to 8. I equal to I plus 1, that is equal to existing value of I is 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. Next iteration, checking the condition. Okay, 3 less than or equal to 3. Condition is less than or equal to. So condition is true. P equal to I value 3 multiplied with 3 plus 1 which is 4 which is equal to 12. Sum equal to, what is the value of existing value of sum? Sum is 8. Okay, 8 plus P value 12 which is equal to 20. I am incrementing I equal to I plus 1, that is existing value of I equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4. I am checking a condition. 4 less than or equal to 3 is false. I am coming out and print the value sum. So what is the value of sum? Sum is 20. 20 is my output and flowchart ends. So we will check whether the 20 is correct or not. Okay, we will directly apply the value. So my n value is 3 now. So apply the series 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4, which is n is 3, n plus 1 4. So series ends with 3 into 4. So 1 into 2, the value is 2, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 4, 12. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 12, which is equal to 20. So 20, my output is 20. So this flowchart is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.